Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have shown how we can create a custom HTML website structure. In this video, first I will show you little recap, then we will upload our website to the live server so that we can access our website from anywhere in the world. So let me give some little recap from previous video. In my previous video, I have created a website with 3 phases. If I open the website link, you see that this is the home page of the website, and this is about page, as well as this is the contact page. And I also shown a few things related to the HTML structure. So every HTML website or any website, the HTML tag is the building block of website. And HTML tag, there are two type of HTML tag. One can be the starting and ending, that means starting tag and ending tag, closing tag. And there are another tag, this tag does not contain the ending tag, so this is known as the self closing tag. And every tag, any website, it start with the HTML tag. Inside the HTML tag there are two part, head and body part. And HTML head is HTML child tag, as well as body is a child tag of HTML tag. And for any tag, for example body tag, the HTML tag is a parent of the body tag. As well as inside, if we go our website link, and for this case is the link tag is a child tag of div tag, and div has three child link tag. And this tag, this is the parent tag, and div tag, the body tag, is a parent of this tag. And if we pass few more information about our HTML tag, then that cases we need to use attribute. For example, this is the image tag, and this is called attribute. Actually, attribute is used for giving more information of any kind of tag. So this is all about, and we need three things. One is the tag, this is tag, and this is attribute, and this is value. Actually those three things is very important to remember when we will go to track custom website data. Now we will upload the website in a server so that we can access it anywhere, because right now this is in my local laptop, and of course you will not be able to visit this website. So I have opened a cPanel. This is the space where we are going to upload our website data. And if we scroll down the cPanel, we will see a option named File Manager. Inside the File Manager, there are a lot of domain, and I have selected a domain to upload our website, and this is the academy.leomajor.com. If I go to there, this is empty. And if I try to access this website, and of course it is empty because inside the folder there is nothing. To upload our website in our live server, we just need to press the upload button and select file. Then we will open our HTML folder and select all three files which we like to upload our website. Actually select file, we can upload one by one, and then we can upload the contact.html file. And then we have another file name about.html. Yeah, we have uploaded all three files. And now if I reload this folder, now we can see there are three files. And now if I refresh our website, and you see this is our website, and this website you can easily access from this website through this link. If you type in your browser academy.leomajor.com, you also see this website. And the website is of course working for every phases. We have already three phases. So this is the way we usually upload our website in a server. In my next video, I will show how we can track custom data from this website, and I will show how we can track data from the custom form as well as this is the product. Of course, this website does not look that good because we didn't write any CSS. And in my future video, I also show how we can write CSS file to make our website look nice and look it professional. So until then, thank you everybody.